Okay, understanding case sensitivity in variables. Okay, in JavaScript, all variables and function names are case sensitive. This means that capitalization matters. My var is not the same as my var, but they're all different, written differently. It is possible to have multiple distinct variables with the same name but different casing. It is strongly recommended that for the sake of clarity, you do not use this language feature. Best practice. Okay, to use camel case. Multi-word variable names have the first word in lowercase and the words afterwards will be capitalized. Or the first letter of each word, I should say. Okay, so it will look like this. First word, small letter. Next word, capital. But, okay, that's for every word afterwards. Okay, so what does it want me to do? Modify the existing declarations and assignments so that their names use camel case. Do not create any new variables. So it wants me to look at this and change it. So it says it should be the first letter. I don't know why they've used a capital letter here. Technically, to correct it, you would do it like cap var. I don't know if cap var must be a completely different word. Basically, what was that? Oh crap, I don't know what that word was. Yeah, anyway. So it says, that's right. And then this one is over. And then this one basically needs to change this. Change to this. And then the proper, don't know why this is capital. It should be small letters. I'm gonna copy this and just can't ever go wrong if you just duplicate the same thing. Do the password, right? Okay, I think that's right. Every word after it will be capitalized. So let's test this. Yeah, cool. Alright, see you rock. Moving on.